Hello friends, this is Maria and today I'm gonna share with you the fastest hack on how to grow your LinkedIn network. You know that currently LinkedIn allows to send only up to 100 requests per week and it's really painful, but luckily there are legal ways to go around those limitations without breaking any rules. Don't forget to check our previous video where my teammate Nazar explained how to add people using their emails. And he's working hard right now on his next video explaining on how to find those emails on web, so stay tuned. And today's hack is so easy that it's quite harder to pour yourself a cup of coffee actually. So let's go. Joining a LinkedIn group makes you able to send messages to its members without sending any connection request and without going through that boring routine all over again. So let's test it now. Open this group and find someone. Remember, you have to be a member of the group for at least 96 hours. Here we have, for example, this guy. Make sure you write a relevant and not at all pitchy message, otherwise this hack won't do much good for you. The biggest advantage of this method is that you can write messages to any people who are in the same group with you, unless they opted out from group communication. But only from the interface of the group. Of course, you won't be able to send a message after switching to their accounts. The same hack applies to events. There is one caveat to this hack. The messages that you send in this way won't appear as usual. They'll be hanging in requests until the person accepts them. That's pretty much it. Hope this helps and don't forget to subscribe to our upcoming webinar. Find details here. Have a great day and stay tuned.